Welcome everyone. Today we're catching turbot monsters up at the sandbank. I hope you're going to enjoy this one. What a day it is. Guys, I think we've got it. They still go. Come on. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. You're at Inglorious Fishing. Today we are turbot fishing. We're up here at the sandbank called Bank de la Godine, which is situated on south coast. Hopefully we're going to hook into a few turbot and brill today. There was a 22 pounder caught up here yesterday, and Tim had one last night at 7.5 pounds. So they're definitely up here on the feed. Hopefully we can just find them and put a bait in front of their nose and it will grab it. I'm just going to give you a run through of the baits that we're using. I'll give you a show of the rods a little bit later on and I'll get you into a few of these flatfish. Let's show you the bait. Well, everyone, just give you a quick show of the bait here. What we're using is mackerel fillets, fresh mackerel fillets that Tim's caught. Then we've also got fresh whiting, top bait for turbot fishing. They absolutely love whiting, pelting, anything like that. So I've got some strips of whiting. We've got some bluey there as well that we bought from the tackle shop. And we've also got some frozen mackerel, and I've been feathering up some sand eels. We've got 4 rods out. Hopefully we can hook into a few of these fish. There's a few boats up here. I don't think anyone's had anything yet, so hopefully we can get into them. Just give you a quick show of the reels, everyone. Penn Squall 20s. I've got the Squall 1s and the Squall 2s. Fantastic reels, quite cheap. They're not the most expensive, but they're not the cheapest either. But my go-to reels, and then the rods that we're using are the ugly GX2s. They're a 12 to 20 pound class rod, 7.5 foot. Fantastic for this sort of turbot fishing. So the lines are down, let's get these flatties. We are finally fish on, and this feels like a turbot. All my other lines out. I've got my other line. Please don't tell me it's that. This feels like a fish. Please be a turbot. Don't be my other line. Whatever it is, it's caught up with all of the lines. It's a turbot. And that's a nice turbot. Aye, kilo, there's only one. Aye, get in. You beauty, fell victim to the whiting fillet. So a big shout out to Tim for that. He managed to catch a whiting earlier and we fillet it. And it's absolutely nailed it. You beauty, that's about an 8 pound turbot. Get in, I'll give you a better show of it, guys. Fantastic. Well, everyone, same drift, and we've got another one on. I was just sorting out that other one, and we've got another. You beauty, double hookup. Double hookup, guys. It is. And it's another flatty. Two on the same drift, guys. You beauty, we ain't had none for 3 hours. Get in! Guys, I'm ecstatic, yes! Well everyone, I was just sorting out that mess. We're still on that drift where we've just had those 2 turbot. And I'm just reeling in the last rod and it feels like there's a bit of weight. Don't tell me it's 3 turbot on 1 drift. We haven't had nothing for 3 hours. Oh no, it's come loose now. It must have just all been tangled up. Absolutely ecstatic with that. Like I said, we've been here for 3 hours. I haven't had nothing. Oh, I did have something on, but it's just come off. The bait's gone in all. Right, we're going to go up for another drift. I'll give you a show of those turbot once we've got the rods back out. Got dolphins up here as well. There he goes. I can hear him blasting. Beautiful. We're up here, we've got the rods out. Let's get these fish. We came up for another drift, then check those cracking turbot out. Beautiful double hookup. We hadn't had anything all day, then all of a sudden, bang, bang. 1 drift and we got both of them. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic, guys. You can't beat that. You're coming out for your target. Giant turbot flatfish, and you're there catching them. What beautiful creatures. I'm going to give you a show of them closer up. What we'll do is we'll give you a show of these turbot so you can identify them if you ever catch them. You beauties. So there's these both fine turbot. As you can see, the turbot have a ginormous mouth. Whole mackerel will absolutely go in there, no problem. You could probably fit your fist in there. They are a fine fish. Beautiful flatfish. Now, turbot are normally a diamond shape. As you can see, they're normally a brown colour, lots of spots on them. They're normally a diamond shape, big paddle tails there. You can see those absolutely push them along when they want to. And then if you run your hand along the top, what you're feeling for is hard knobbles. If you feel hard knobbles, it's definitely a turbot, whereas a brill would be nice and smooth. You would have no knobbles on there, no like little bits of cartilage or whatever it is. As you can see, the eyes are on top of the head. At the start of their lives, the eyes are actually on the side, and then gradually as they grow, they move around and go to the top of the head. The underside is a beautiful white, lovely white meat there. You get 4 fantastic fillets off of that. But just a nice turbot. But that's how you tell turbot from a brill, guys. Fantastic. Well, everyone, we are fish on again, and this feels like a turbot. Definitely feels like a turbot. You beauty. We've all... Oh, it might be a dogfish. Not sure. We've already had 2. Definitely something here, but it's starting to feel a bit more like a dogfish. Let's hope not. Seagulls are chatting away. Well, fantastic, we had nothing. And all of a sudden those 2 fish on the same drift, you couldn't make it up. It could be a turbot, I'm not quite sure. It does feel doggy though. Yeah, dogfish. Not the turbot we want, but the drift speed has dramatically dropped, so I'm going to get that off. We'll keep drifting for a little bit and then we'll get the rods in and go up for another drift. Everyone, we're fish on again. Probably a dogfish by the feel of it. Definitely a fish there, though. Another dogfish. Well, as I said, everyone, slack water. You're going to get absolutely plagued with these now. I've got my bait back. Another dogfish. That'll be pot bait. Guys, I've got a fish on. I was just reeling this up. It might be a dog. Didn't even know the camera was still running. I was just about to turn it on. Probably a dogfish, everyone. And it's another dogfish. Well, they're definitely out to play now. Let's get up for another. Guys, I think we've got a tope on. Yeah, we got a tope. Oh, he's still going. I doubt this is a turbot. Come on. We got a tope on. If this is a turbot, I'll be bloody ecstatic. Right, I'm going to try and put that drag on, try and crank it up. I'm going to bully him a bit here. Swimming towards us. I'm going to take this clicker off. I'm bullying it. You're seeing it soon. That's a tope for sure. It's right under the boat. It's a tope. He's hooked straight in the mouth, so we should be able to get him aboard. There you are. The hook just snapped, guys. We got him aboard though. Beautiful tope. It's not a big one, but it's still a tope. Absolute beauty. Right, I'll let him calm down and we'll give you a show of it. There we are, everyone. Beautiful tope there. Check the mouth on it. Beautiful eyes on it. Lovely, lovely tope. Beautiful. It's not a big one. It's not a monster. They definitely get a hell of a lot bigger than that. But that is... Oh, he's trying to. It's very powerful. Look at the jaws. Beautiful. So I'm going to get a release of this. We're going to just chuck it in. 3, 2, 1. Lovely tope. Have that. Straight back down it goes. Right, let's try and get another turbot.
Go on.
£6.6.
Oh, beauty. And the other one? Let me see if I can guess that one right. Right, £5.2.
£4.3.
Oh, beauty.
Looks bigger than £4.
Yeah, but still nice fish.
And I had a tope and I got it on board. Well, everybody, there you are. Look at these fine turbot. Beautiful day up here at Bank de la Gaudine. Got a nice 6.5, 7 pound fish. Just absolutely ecstatic to be out here and to hook into these two simultaneously. Had the first one on, the second one just absolutely devastated it. 2 fish, we also had that tope, and I've just had a whiting. I hope you've enjoyed it. We're going to start making our way home. Hope you enjoy the trip home, guys. Turbo Wurbos. everybody, we are back to port. The boat is all washed down and there's those two fine turbot. Beautiful, beautiful turbot. I've just gutted them. So absolutely fantastic. Thoroughly enjoyable day up there targeting turbot and brill. Hopefully one day we can get another brill. We ain't had one of those for a long time, but still awesome day catching these giant flatfish. I hope you've enjoyed it, guys, and I hope to catch you on the next one. See you next time. It's Turbot Mania. Oh yeah.